Well, hello. It's been a while. I'm going to do a separate video on that and what's been going on, but hello, here I am. We got something in the mail today. So let's unbox and see what we've got. It's been a long time since I've seen you. A lot has been going on. And I talked about it a little bit on Patreon. So if you follow me there, if you're on my Patreon, you know what happened. Basically, long story short, my dog was really sick. He was diagnosed with heart disease back in the spring. And that's been my whole personality ever since then. So I've been just taking care of him, and that's it. Waking to sleep, that and working. So that's why you haven't seen me. That's what I've been doing. So I'm here now because sadly, a week ago today, actually, no, a week ago last Wednesday, he passed. His little body just couldn't take anymore. His heart wasn't keeping up, and he was just filling with fluid, and we just couldn't do anything. And so after a long talk with the vet, we decided it was time for him. So Jake is no longer with us. So it's going to be a lot quieter. You're not going to hear him walking around in the background or anything like that in the videos anymore. So anyway, thank you for your patience with me and for sticking around. I'm going to get back on making videos and stuff. I've just been trying to get my feet back underneath me after that blow. So, but I think this is a great opportunity. This is something happy and positive. I think I know which doll this is. I bought this last year. It's one of the Mattel Creations dolls from the Barbie the Movie. I know probably half of you are sick of Barbie the Movie dolls, but I'm not. I think they're still great. So let's open this bad boy and see who we've got in here. I think I know who this is, and probably you know as well. So I'm just gonna... Ugh. I thought about opening this up. You gotta Hulk your way into this box. Sorry, I'm off camera. But these things are like really, like, look at that glue spillage. These are really closed up. So pardon me while I Hulk my way into this box. Alright. Whew, that's a lot of glue. They aren't kidding around with these. I've got one more, I think, coming from Barbie Creations. So this should be our man Ken, if I remember correctly. Let's see if it's going to slide out nice and cleanly. This is new, having the cardboard on the inside. It's like double packed. So let's see if he'll slide out nice for us. Oop, well, that came off. Those are just like corners you'd put on a painting. Ooh, here he comes. He's sliding out. Oh, look at that. What a good job I did. We can only see the back of the box. Oh, there it is. That iconic Barbie house, Barbie dream house from the movie. And who do we have but our Ryan Gosling mold face? I am Kenough Ken. Now, some collectors were really mad about this doll because the outfit other than the sweatshirt, is almost identical to the Mojo Dojo Casa House Ken. Actually, I think it is identical. So like the sweatpants, the athletic shoes, I don't know if you can see them in there. There's a lot of glare on this box. There you go. The athletic shoes, the sweatpants. He's got the lightning bolts up the side, the headband. All of that's the same as the Mojo Dojo Casa House Ken. So some people complained like, hey, this could have been a clothing pack, right? Like, why not do Mojo Dojo Casa House and the Ryan Gosling and then just do this outfit in a clothing pack? And that's a good question. You know, there's like 100 Margot Robbies out there, right? Like there's a bunch of the Margot Robbie Barbies with different outfits. Like, why weren't more of those in clothing packs? There was like the one clothing pack that had like the swimsuit, the beach outfit, the 2 beach outfits, pink beach outfit, blue beach outfit from Perfect Day and Not So Perfect Day. And I had one more outfit that I can't remember what it was. So, right, like why didn't we do more clothing packs? And I don't know. I don't work for Mattel. I don't have any answers, but I think he looks pretty great. And you know, in pictures, I was like, does that really look like Ryan Gosling? But in person, it does. Like, it's pretty good. It's going to be, you know, it's like the Margot Robbie ones. It's a cartoonified Ryan Gosling because it's a doll, right? So it's dollified. So he looks a little abstracted, if you will, right? It's not going to be a one-to-one. Because if you've ever seen any of the dolls, and maybe I'll try to find some pictures and put some up on screen, when they do the celebrity faces on dolls, they tend to be hit or miss. They're either great. Some of the really great ones I could think of were like Elvis. Elvis was really on point. Who was another good? Oh, Frank Sinatra. That one was really good. Or they're really creepy. So creepy ones include like, I always thought the Spice Girls looked really creepy, or Clueless. Like those looked really messed up. Britney Spears. Like I wasn't a big fan of that one. So they can look great. Or, oh, what's the really famous one? What's her name who played Belle? I'll try to find a picture of her and put her up. Like that one's kind of notorious amongst doll collectors for being just like not so cute. You know, beauty's in the eye of the beholder. Maybe you love these dolls. Maybe you think they're great. And there's no hate, right? Like I'm just going by kind of what my opinion is, and you know, but who am I, right? I'm just one person. But these I think are, my point was, right? These I think were really well done. It's a good mix between a doll's face and the actor's face. I think this one and Margot Robbie both turned out really nice. So there is a Ryan Gosling version of Beach Ken, which I've been on the fence about picking up, and now I'm thinking I might pick him up. Just if nothing else to have another of the Ryan Gosling mold, because I think that face is really nice. There's also the Campfire Sing-Along Barbie and Ken that came out. I have that. I purchased that as well. That'll be coming up next year sometime. I don't know how long they can keep milking this. How long are we going to keep buying these, you guys? I'll keep buying them. Like they've got my money. Like I think this movie is the best movie I've seen in a really long time, and I will continue to buy these dolls. So I don't know if every collector feels that way, but you know. So let me grab my Mojo Dojo Casa House Ken really quick. So pause for effect. Okay. Yeah, we're going again. Don't ask me why I shot the first half of that in portrait, not landscape mode. I don't know. I'll try to crop it down so it makes sense, but we'll do our best with it, right? So anyway, so here on our left, we have our Mojo Dojo Casa House Ken. And you can see he's got that typical Ken face, right, that was used for these dolls. And all the other ones have that same face, that same sculpt. Different hairstyles, but same sculpt. I'm looking, I've got the Western Ken, I've got the rollerblading Ken, I've got the beach Ken. They all have the same face. I don't have the denim Ken yet. I wasn't sure. It wasn't my favorite outfit, and it was like $50, and like I didn't get it when it first came out because I was broke. So then it was like $70 or $100. I was like, I'm not paying that for that doll. But now they're back down to like $40, $50. So I might pick him up. So Ryan Gosling versus the Ken face, like very different sculpts. But again, you can see, so I don't know if you can see, I'm not pulling him out of the box. I love you guys, but not that much. But he's wearing the same pants, the same shoes. You can see the hairstyle's the same. He's wearing the same headband. So a lot of people, thought that was bogus. And that, just for the sweatshirt and the Ryan Gosling doll, because they were exclusives, they were the kind of like the Weird Barbie was, right? Where there were only so many being made. And so you had to kind of get in while the getting was good and all that kind of stuff. And people were like, I don't know, like, is it worth it just for a doll? So I don't think, I don't think it sold as fast as some of the other ones did. I think that started to kind of cool down, the interest in buying these dolls. And then, like, again, they just came out with the Ryan Gosling faced Beach Ken. And that's weird, right? Am I wrong? Is that weird? I think that's weird. Like, why would you come out with that now? A year hence from when the movie was made, to come out with the different face mold in an outfit we already have. I don't know, that just felt strange. Like they could have done something else with that. I don't know what, but they could have done something else with it. So, and a lot of people feel the same way. But again, it might be nice to get him just to kind of round out the collection. Who knows if I'll ever be able to get one of the white and gold jumpsuit Kens. I hope to might be able to get my hand on one of those one of these days. I'm going to have to pay through the nose. I didn't even see those when they came out, so I completely missed the window of opportunity of buying one at, MSRP. So I'm going to end up having to pay collector's prices for it. And you know what? If I'm going to pay through the nose for one of these, I guess that's fine. It is what it is. Big question. Am I going to unbox these? And I don't know. I've only unboxed one Ken. I unboxed my Beach Ken. I haven't unboxed the Western Ken, which is weird because I unboxed the Western Barbie. I haven't unboxed the Rollerblade Ken or Barbie. I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to unbox them yet. I think I'm going to leave them like this. I kind of like these two together like this. I may just display them together, but I don't know. But anyway, there we have it. There is our I Am Kenough Ken. I don't know if that's officially what he's called, but that's what I'm calling him. And next to our Mojo Dojo Casa House Ken, two of the exclusives. So I'm only missing, I'm missing gold jumpsuit Barbie. I know. I was really broke when these dolls came out first, and I couldn't, and they haven't re-released that one. Why? They've re-released pretty much everything else, I think, but not the gold jumpsuit Barbie. Like, come on, cut me some slack, people. So I'm missing gold jumpsuit Barbie. I'm missing the white and gold tracksuit Ken. So, I mean, they kind of go together. And I'm missing, the denim outfit Ken. And I think that's it. And Sugar Daddy Ken. That's another one I'm going to have to pay through the nose for. But I think I will. I think I'll bite the bullet on that one too. At some point, when I have money again. That's another thing that's happened is one of my contracts fell through, so I haven't had a lot of money. So it's been just a very deep, deep depression since May that I've been in. Like, it's been really, really bad. So I really apologize for my not being around and not uploading anything. I don't know how long it's going to take me to get this video up. I'm shooting this in the middle of October, and I don't know, 2024. I don't know how long it's going to take me to get this up. But I have been working. I have been making things. So I've been crocheting, which is weird for me. Let me find... I don't know where my sleeve went. But I've been crocheting some kind of fall-themed stuff. So maybe we'll talk about that in the next video. Sorry about my big arm in the way. Maybe we'll talk about that in the next video. I've got the book project that I still have to finish. I've got that. It's like 2 hours of video that I have to cut down to like a half an hour. And I just haven't been able to force myself to sit down and do it. But I need to. I need to sit down and finish editing that. So I got the last of the book project I need to get for you. All these fall projects that I've been working on, I got tons of stuff for that for you. So I do have stuff on the docket. I am still around. I am still making stuff. I am still here. I lost my dog, and it was really tough. He was a really sweet boy. So I'll put a picture of him up if I haven't already. And I hope you guys are doing great, and I love you very much. It's my birthday in a couple of weeks, so wish me a happy birthday. And, tell me in the description box. Nope, that's not right. Tell me down in the comments. Are you going to buy any more of these dolls? Did you buy any of them? Were you thinking about buying any of them? Do you think you will continue if they keep releasing them? Will you continue to buy them or start buying them? Do you still care about Barbie the movie? Let me know. Let me know what you think. Did you not care about it the first time when it came out? Let me know. Let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, share, do all that great YouTube-y stuff. If you want to follow me on Patreon, follow me on Patreon. $3 a month gets you access to exclusive stuff. Some of it might be kind of hard to watch. I broke down in tears in the last video that I posted up there. But I post some, if you're paying me money, man, you get to hear all my inner thoughts. And you get to know the real me. So I'm on there. And I talk about a lot of stuff. So if you want to hear about it, hey, there it is. You get early access to videos, all kinds of stuff. There's all kinds of tiers. There's all kinds of stuff you can do. So for those of you who are already my Patreon patrons, I really appreciate you. You guys have been keeping me afloat. You know that. I've messaged you all privately. You're the best. You are the GOAT, and I appreciate you. So I will see you all in the next video. Take care of yourselves. Hug your dogs. Hug your kitties if they let you. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.